These are the type days where traders wish they had just jumped in. And I found a long time ago it's better to take the heat for a few minutes and go with a trend than it is to just try to guess. And then you get to a big idea, the big target, say, okay, fine, I'll take it. Maybe I'll leave something on the table, but at least I got something out of it going with that trend. And we can see, where yesterday, once we crossed over on the 30, crossed over on the 60, and I hate to tell people to hold over, because most traders aren't prepared for it. If you day trade all the time, then you got to stay up at night, or you got to manage it, or whatever. But there are days when, like that 120 chart, that suggests that a big trade could be coming. And I'd said we've got a wrecking ball trade, and primarily because of the plunge here. And remember, I didn't even know what the news was. I still don't know what's really moved the market. My guess was debt limit coming in October. That'll tend to scare people. Talk about Syria, you talk about whatever. I don't know how to interpret the news. All I know is to read charts. Good enough. 120 chart gets below this blue line, closes, stays under it, it's negative. So this chart, along with the 60, along with the 30, every one of them says sell me. And say buy, says sell me. And you get to a gap, a logical target like that, you say take profits. I mean, this is not magic. It's common sense. All right, today will be an awkward day. And the reason, because we've come so far. And Zika's told us to be prepared, for these big type moves. There's been a lot of egregious behavior the last 4 years. So this is the tip of the iceberg. And when you see these patterns set up, the best thing you can do is pull out and make a copy of these kind of things, put your charts next to each other, and say, oh yeah, I remember this. Once we get under this blue line and stay under there, it's the umbrella trade. It's a license to print money.